Good evening, sir. Good evening, all of you. I am I am in the favor of offline classes because offline classes we play outside and
Online class, you take an online class, it's so many health issues, like you see the screen for so much long time, and you are sit for long time, so it's hurt your eyes.
But in the ninth class, they
They
are
cheated
they failed,
they
and by
cheated,
which
and
in
in
10th
the
class
online classes
exams
they
are also many papers leaked,
they
and
used
which
to
is the
watch
biggest
like drinking
sign of
videos
corruption.
and
And
YouTube,
also the many
like
of the
they are the
students
drinkers and smokers, they
froze
watch their videos
futures,
and they are
which
saying
the
that
biggest
they are
bad
watching
thing.
very cool,
Many
so they
also
are
many of
also
the students
addicted
also
of
bunk
doing
the
that
class,
by
which is the
taking
biggest sign
and
of
they are our
bad
futures of
company.
school,
Also
and by
the
that
biggest sign of
we are not talking
bad
about
thing
the
of our
IIT
India,
papers, we
corruption.
are talking about school.
I am talking.
Yeah,
I am talking. I am talking about class 10. I am talking about class 10.
You are saying that IIT need
Many of the students leak their paper. Many of the principal leak their paper by giving the record our teacher with each and every expression how he teach the 30 student. And also at the last, I want to say that it's totally online classes is totally good, because in the COVID period we have all, whether you like offline classes, you have to take.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, all my dear friends. Good evening. As we have given a topic on debate, so I'm in the favor of online because with the help of online, we can save our time, and if you don't get the way of teaching of a teacher, so you can change that teacher. That's why I'm in the favor of online.
Good evening, sir, and hello, my friends. As we have all given a topic on debate, so I'm in the favor of offline classes because offline classes makes us like some topics in schools that cannot be taken as online, and there are many reasons by which I have choose the offline classes.
As good evening, sir, and good evening to all. So, as we all have given a topic for a debate, so I am in the favor of online classes because we can choose our books as well in free, in limited range of money, and we can change our teacher whether we like the concept of teaching of that teacher or not. And there are many more advantages why I choose this online classes group.
good evening, sir. Good evening, all of you. Good evening. As we have given a topic for debate, and I am in the favor of offline classes because in offline classes we can do physical activities and build our confidence by speaking in front of our friends, students. But in online classes, some students do cheating, like they uh, put their notebook after a phone and they read in it and speak, and for that's why their confidence do not build. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all of you. I'm I am in the favor of offline classes because offline classes we play outside and we have a doubt, so we go to a staff room and your doubt will be correct. And good evening, sir. Good evening, all of you. As we have given a topic of debate, that is offline classes and online classes. I am in the favor of online classes because online classes is very important and very useful in this era. This is also save our time, and it's in for saving the time we can do more thing and much thing. We can correct our questions and we can know about our questions. So the useful thing is the online classes. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am favor in the offline classes because there are many benefits of offline classes. For example, we should make a friends, and physical activity also done, and we should play outside. That's all.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. I am in the favor of offline class because offline class is a face-to-face learning, and your doubt is cleared on offline class and play outside. And offline classes make new friends. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all of you. Good evening. I am in the favor of offline classes because in the offline classes we have face-to-face reaction and eye contact, and we make friends. That's
My concern. Why were you not taking the offline classes in the COVID period, which is the very biggest advantages for the online classes?
because we were taking offline we were not able to take offline classes because there is going on many virus that is COVID-19. It is going on, that's why we could not go to offline.
In that you have taken the online classes, it means you like the online classes in which we can take a face to face interaction with the teachers, we can clear our doubt, we can be educated.
No, it's not face to face, and
Who said in that we can be a face to face interaction, and all the movement are given in shown in that kind of apps like Zoom and Teams, which is the apps for the video calls as well.
but I don't. But some children don't understand what teacher is teaching, because then when our network cuts, no one was unable to understand because there was going on COVID-19. There was going on COVID-19.
There are also so many Wi-Fi's in their homes, so they can contact their teacher again.
but some students are very poor, so how they can make Wi-Fi in their home?
This is an modern era, everyone has a phone, which is the very costly thing, so that's the reason we can also take the Wi-Fi services, which is monthly pay 500 fees, as we have to give the many admissions charge, which is very cheaper. The online class we can save money as well, because we need only internet charges only,
But-
but in schools admissions form we have to give medical charge as well, and annual charge as well, and many more etc charges, which are very costly than the internet
And
money.
for some people 500 is also is a big amount.
So
For some people,
so
because
why
they are very poor,
So-
and they make their children read in government schools.
so government also school also take the fees, which are also including annual charges, and many more charges are also included in the government fees.
No.
Admissions charge also.
No,
There is fees. There is
no,
fees.
there is no any fees.
Okay.
There is only fees for admission, not that
monthly admission fees.
No,
That is
no.
a monthly fees.
monthly
is given.
fees is not available.
It's in every school we have to pay monthly fees, which are
No, in
2K
not government
plus,
schools.
in 2K plus, which we everyone have to pay.
No, in
So
government
in
schools there are.
it's too cheaper that the rate for the internet services as well, because in the school we have to give for monthly
No,
charges.
no. In government school there are no any monthly charges,
Who
because
said-
government made that schools for the poor children.
Poor children, but they also have to take few of the money to give their teachers as well, which is the biggest source of
If they have to pay the fees, why they should go to in government school?
government
If they-
school is in right now in this era. Government school is too hi-fi and too like you can say infrastructure is too good as compared to private school, so that's why in the now era you can see many of the government school is taking the monthly charges as well, so which is very cheaper rate than the internet charges.
No, and is
Buy a few of the books, which is also costly, but in online things we can buy the PDFs, which are free of cost. That's the biggest reason.
No.
And which books are above 1K, but the internet services charges about to 50 100.
It's depended you how much you use internet, but in private school government has started one scheme, that is EWS. If you will join EWS, so you can study till 8th free cost,
But
and you
after
don't
that-
have to pay. If you don't have to pay the fee,
you have
but
to
after it there is not that much of cost of books.
you have to pay for the 9th class fees, but in online there are many branches which teach the many of the students in free of cost.
But they take money, like
They-
Baidu's take money. In Zoo you will study till school.
May I give some of
Yeah.
the few? There are many websites regarding to YouTube's YouTube
In
channels.
COVID-19 you have to pay money. You have
For
to.
what?
You are not going to school, but you have to because
But
school
we are
wants
taking
money.
we are taking the online classes. Their teacher is teaching us. The
Teacher is teaching.
spending his time on us. That's the biggest reason. And at
That's
that
why they
time,
are taking money. That's why they
yeah,
are taking
so
money.
it's your responsibility that offline classes are not conducted, but fees of offline classes being taken by
Online
that.
classes is also taking fee.
There is
In
many
the online
branches.
classes there are many branches which are taking money for everything. Like if you go to, you are saying that I can take the PDF for books, so I also know that you can make the PDF, but you can make the PDF of so much less pages. Like you can take the PDF of 3 to 4 pages.
It's the
Okay,
modern era. It's the modern era. You can see many of the students of MBBS who are doing MBBS, they have just taken whole of the book, whole semester books in mobile phone in PDFs.
Yeah.
There every pages are given. Every pages is equal ways. And right now it's a NCRT is going on, and it's also given many of the platforms which are teaching these kind of structures, field things in free of cost. In
you are saying that
biggest example of it is that YouTube, in which we have different kind of teachers, different kind of
and if you
teaching ways.
can't be able to understand from that, what will you do?
There are many teachers, there are thousands of channels in YouTube. There are many teachers who are teaching by different concepts.
बोल दियो. Teaching style of your teacher and teaching style of that teacher is different. So what will you do?
Teaching style of online teachers are very good, because in schools they are just many of the teachers are unable to teach properly. Many of the students are don't understand that kind of concept, so they use online things to clear their concept. Why? By the help of many teachers new concepts as well.
You think when your internet is slow or stop, so your online class have also stopped.
In this, there are modern era. You can connect your Wi-Fi from your mobile and can communicate your teacher and take your class easily. If you are poor, so you will not give money, so what will you do? Your offline classes also stop.
There are a government school or EWS.
But in their seats there are limited seat, and the richest people,
There are limited seats in the school.
There are.
and the richest people take the advantage and give their children to their in the government school for the money, because the government school give the money. The normal people who have money, so they also so send their school their children to the government school.
And the online class, you take an online class, it's so many health issues. Like you see the screen for so much long time, and you are sit for long time, so it's hurt your eyes and backbone.
But no, but no one use it for study for a longer period of time. Like there's only if you take online classes, so there are only 3 or 4 periods of 30 minutes, so there's not a long period of time, and it doesn't affect your eyes and ears.
I have a question. We are taking online classes, so we can how can build up your confidence, and how can destroy your hesitation. How?
Yeah, that's it. How can you get technology to talk and communication?
In online classes there is face to face interaction with the teachers as well, with the many of the apps, so we can build up there by talking to each other, by talking the different persons as well. And even though many of the teachers give them a biggest task, that bring your mom who is at your home, so call him and communicate with him. So that's the biggest example. You can give, many teachers give the tasks as well.
At you to left her every work and come to you for your studying.
As for, if there is anyone present in at your home, so you can call them,
Like, give me example, who is present in your home?
like any maid or any brother sister who is younger, who is very who is very younger than you.
So if you are talking about maid, so maid will do the household work of the house and mother will also help him.
For 5 or 6 minutes they are unable to come.
No,
your
no.
teachers 5
So
to 6 minutes
that's
they are
matter
also,
na. In the school you can go, there is teacher for 40 to 30 minutes, they can make the
in online classes the teacher is also present for 30 to 40 minutes in
so
face
you
to face
cannot
interaction.
you cannot
Like,
speak, you cannot speak in public. You
who
cannot
said?
speak.
Yeah, there is many tasks
In
you can,
online.
in the online classes there is face to face interaction. Not
How
mean-
can-
not
how can
mean-
we-
not mean that you are taking online classes like a call.
Yeah, it's like a call, but on like you are watching video, not about that. But in the offline, you are going to the school and you can speak front of your friends, school classes, and it's destroy your hesitation.
Online class, so many students do cheating when your mother father has not in the front of you.
But in an offline class, many child, so many child do cheating.
How
with
many child
cheats.
do? So
Simple.
they catch with teacher.
And in offline classes, many paper are leaked.
Yeah,
So,
because
but in a NEET and IIT,
Yeah.
so
So it's a very it's a very high order exam.
but
so
it's paper
it's
leaked.
very-
But for so many childs are doing suicide because he failed. Why? Because paper leaked.
paper leaked, so it's not like a board exam or the other exams of school, like every year it will leak. It's by chance it get leaked.
Okay, you have 60 seconds.
They in offline classes you can record your teachers how the teachers teach with the expression, but in offline classes you can't record your teacher with the expression with clear expressions, that how teachers teach in 13 students and how teacher teach only one student. And also in the offline classes there is many of the student bad company also take bad company and use the disadvantages of bad company. Many students also bunk the classes because at the your present your parents are not present, as well as the many of the papers are also leaked by corruptions. Many of the students also do bad thing, which is the biggest sign of bad thing, because our the students are the future of our India. If the students are just doing these kind of awkward thing like smoking and these all things, so yeah, that means your India is not going to develop. And also in offline classes, the many of the students, bad company students, they do fights and teach other students as well. So that's why the bad company also increase, and as well as many of the mindset of many of the students is changed. That's the biggest problem.
In the online there is many student, they cheat their exam. And if like I'm in the 8th class, I cheated in my 8th class, and if I passed in my 8th class, and if I go to 9th class, so how can I read about 9th class? And if it's on that or in the phone, some people while taking the online classes they play games, they watch very bad videos on the YouTubes and many platforms. Like in that videos some people are drinking alcohol, taking BDs and many smoking things, and they are saying that we are very cool. They are doing loafer things, and by watching that things, children get attracted, and they also thinks we also do smoking and we also drink. So by that phone, it's a online things, by that student gets addicted of that things, bad things, and they also watch bad things on that. And you are saying about they are our future of school, the future of our India. So they are future of our India, but in the phone they are they are cheating, but they take the notebooks side of their phone, they cheat their exams and doing any things.
But in the online classes, the people also bunk, and they are in the bad company. A lot of people drink alcohol and smoking because of the bad company, and paper also leaked in the offline. Like if you go to any school, so like if in your school there is a lot of children who do cheating, and they open their copy in their desk, and teacher don't understand, and teacher don't focus on them. So what? And if you have injured, so how can you able to go to school and you are unable?
And also the logic.
In our school, in every school, if we are taking offline classes, every teachers take round. But in online classes, no teachers take rounds, and she focus only 2 seconds on one student. She don't focus 50 or 60 seconds on one student. She always think that my child is not in online classes, teachers thinking that my child is not cheating because she has trust on you. But some children do cheating in online classes. They open their book after their phone and start doing cheating. And if they have to sing any type of song, or they have to give any type of question of answer, then what they do, they take a earbud, or they take a earbud on their ear and start saying, because they had got recorded in their phone, and they are speaking, they have started that, and they're doing cheating because they don't know that teachers don't know that there is earbud in their ears. There are also so many every year. Always the board papers and the international papers always leaked. It's so also take every year. The offline classes always takes leaked, and the so much cheating on the offline classes.
So in the online classes,
Only 60 seconds. It's final.
in the
And
online
also,
classes,
and
in the
also
online
the one
classes,
of the
very
biggest
teachers
rule, that
very
is the
cheating
in the 8th till the 8th class, many of the students are being passed, but in the 9th class they are just failed, and by which in 10th
the online
class
classes,
exams
they,
are also many papers leaked,
they
and
used
which
to
is the
watch
biggest
like drinking
sign of
videos
corruption.
and
And also the many
like
of the
they are the
students
drinkers and smokers, they watch their videos and they are saying that they are watching very cool,
many
so they
also
are
many of the
also
students
addicted
also
of
bunk
doing
the
that
class,
by
which is the
they just-
biggest sign
and
of
they are our futures
bad
of in
company.
school, and by that
Also the
they are
by
doing
the
cheating
online
in
classes,
online tests,
by the
and by
offline
that
classes there
they
are many of
cannot
the
pass.
classes
They can
which
pass,
is
but in
very
that
also
they cannot.
very
They
active and
cannot
as well as
get
activities
addicted
related
and
class. What? Yes. Also in the one of the biggest rule is that in this time the government has launched one of the various scheme, that is first to 8th class. Till first to 8th class every student will pass, but in 9th class many of the students fail. That's the biggest sign. But in offline many of the many, they have to give perfect examination with their own knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah, I am saying that now in the offline classes they have very good knowledge and they are passing. You have said this point, and you are saying right that offline classes is very good from the online classes, because they have teach like the physically, like there are many topics in our books that cannot be
I am asking that.
explained
I am
about that.
asking that the one of the biggest rule has been implemented, that first to 8th class every student will pass whether he did anything in the examination. But in 9th they get failed. What's the reason behind it? How we can say? But in online classes we have to give our examination with our knowledge, with our confidence, with our knowledge, every kind of
But
knowledge.
if in the offline classes first to 8 children get passed like this, you are saying that, but in the online classes they can also do cheating.
But
They can also
but
do
in the
cheating.
but in the 10th class many of the students give the corruption to the principal who leaked the examination, as well as in the largest, in the international level, the NEET paper, the IIT paper is leaked, which is the biggest sign of
We are not talking
bad
about
thing
the
of our
IIT
India,
papers. We
corruption.
are talking about
I am talking.
Yeah,
I am talking about class. talking about class 10th.
You are saying that IIT
many of the student leak their paper. Many of the principal leak their paper by giving the corruption, which is the biggest sign of bad thing.
and you will give the 10th exam by online. You have to give
Okay. In the online classes, we have a best knowledge as well as because
Okay, you have to give 5 points.
we study in online classes by digital ways, which is the biggest good thing. And in online classes, we have to clear our examination with all the knowledge. And in online classes, we can also record the videos, and we can in online classes we can buy the books in free of cost. We can in online classes we can study free of cost by many of the websites as well.
Okay.
and
Five
in the
points.
offline
5
classes, in the offline classes there are many ways. Like in the schools there are many topics, like you are saying that you can teach from online. So but in the schools they make teachers,
5 point about your offline.
Answer nahi dena.
yeah, in the offline they teachers teach their students by physically. By that children can understand that thing deeply. By that teacher student can learn it from
Second.
first to 12th. And second point is that in the offline classes teacher student learn better than the online classes, because in the online classes if children is very shameless, so he cannot ask a question to him. But in the schools and teacher ask every question to every student, like do you understand, and like this. And in the third point, like in the offline classes, there are very physical educations and many much more thing. It makes you healthy also.
Okay,
And
4 points.
in that there are many like you are not interested in doing study, so you can make your future in playing in your schools, like in the sports you can go in your schools. Fifth point is that according to me offline classes is the best way, because if we are going to the online classes, the classes will started on in 8, but in the offline classes we have a good routine. By that we are like a good person.
In final, at last I want to say first point is that that we can choose our teacher whether we like the concept of teaching that teacher is or bad, so we can change our teacher. As well as second is that we have particular routine and schedule that in this day you have to take these classes and these classes or not. And third of the thing is that in also online classes we can increase our skills, we can develop our skills with different classes, because we have given a particular schedule that in this day you have to do art and all. And the last 4 point I want to say that we can record, which is the biggest thing. We can record our teacher with each and every expression how he teach the 30 student. And also at the last I want to say that it's totally online classes is totally good, because in the COVID period we have all, whether you like offline classes, you have to take online classes.
Hello guys,
comment
which team is winner of this debate.
Hello guys, comment down which team is winner of this debate.
That's good.